Hey everyone, I want to share a folk remedy that actually helped me get rid of sinusitis. No antibiotics, no surgeries, no scary procedures. So here's what happened. I caught a really bad cold. A few days later, I started feeling pressure and pain in my sinuses. Then the fever kicked in. Every time I bent my head down, I felt this heavy, throbbing sensation in my nose and forehead. That's when I knew. It was serious. I went to the hospital, got an x-ray, and sure enough, the doctor told me I had sinusitis. He prescribed a ton of antibiotics. I went to the pharmacy, spent a small fortune, and started the treatment as soon as I got home. 7 days later, not much improvement. I went back, and the doctor said we'd need to extend the treatment. And if that didn't work, they'd have to puncture the sinuses to drain the pus. Yeah, no thanks. I went back to the pharmacy, still feeling awful. And then it hit me. I remembered a folk recipe my grandmother once told me about when I was a kid. I figured, why not give it a try? Here's what you'll need. 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Mix everything in a small bowl until it becomes smooth and liquid, no lumps. Now take a cotton pad, sake it in the mixture, and gently place it into one nostril. Lie on the opposite side for 20 minutes. Then do the same with the other nostril. Fresh pad, same mix. Other side, 20 minutes. This helps moisturize the nasal passages, and the vapors from the mix encourage the pus to drain naturally. Afterward, blow your nose thoroughly. Do this once a day for 4 to 5 days. That's it. In my case, the symptoms disappeared completely. No more meds, no punctures, no problem. And here's the best part. You can even use this remedy for a regular cold. It works like a charm. I'm so glad I remembered this, and I hope it helps you too. If you try it, let me know how it goes in the comments below. And by the way, this video is sponsored by ASAP Data Recovery. Be healthy.